Hi, in this video, we're going to be looking at mentor comments and subject comments for the upcoming examination. We're going to go to Assessment Premium, and then on our left, I want you to choose House Mentor Groups, and you'll notice all our mentor classes come up. I'm going to go to the first mentor class, B1. And on choosing B1, you will notice the class comes up in the bottom. This is Mr. Brent Dodd's class, B1, B for Barnes. So for us to enter our mentor comments, we will go to the left, and you'll notice that when you hover over it, it says comments. Before you type in your comments, you can actually have a look at the profile of the learner. I'm going to use the second boy, learner profile. That will give you an idea of his term 1 marks, term 2 marks, if they're in, and also the co-curricular. This lad plays hockey and other stuff that he does, and also you can see merit and any misconducts. So that gives you an idea. You don't have to go and look at the learner profile. So now I'm going to go back to comments, and you notice the comment GUI comes up, and all you have to do now is type in your comment. You can also type this in Word, and that's quite handy to do. So if you have Word open, you can type a comment in, do your spell check. Let me give you an example. If I type a word incorrect, excellent, Word will be able to auto correct it or give me a spell check. And from here you can copy your comment and come in there and you can paste. So you don't have to do that, but just an idea so that you make less spelling mistakes. And we're done. Before you leave, please click save, and then you can close. So that's how we do mentor comments. Once again, remember, we're looking for next to the boy's name, on the left, comments. We're going to close that. If we want to do subject comments for the June exams, we're going to go back to Assessment Premium, and now we're going to choose Assessment. You can choose the grade you're looking for. I'm going to leave that on grade 12. Then you got to track your class you teach. You'll have much fewer classes on your tab. So if I choose a class, the class comes in the bottom. And to enter a subject comment, you go to the left of the number 1, and if you hover over it, it says click to see options, and you click on comments. So from here, I've already got a comment in. You can click on the arrow, and it gives you a whole list of comments to choose from. We will send a PDF document with all the comments so that you do not have to scroll through this. You got to just find the correct number. So in this case, I want to choose number 2, and you see the comment comes down for the boy. What is handy for when you're writing your comments, if we go back to those 3 dots, there is a progress report below comments. So if you want to get a view of how the boy has been performing, it gives you a chart comparing term 1 to term 2. If we look at Afrikaans, you'll notice that there's a slight improvement in Afrikaans from term 1 to term 2. We can scroll down and see the raw marks. No term 2 marks are not in as yet. But this compares your term 1 and your term 2 results for each subject. So that is quite handy when you're making comments. Thank you. I hope and trust that you enjoyed this video.